Mangilik is one of the main avenues of the left bank of the capital. It starts with Maral Bridge, crossing Saray Sheikh, the Mohammed Kunaev, Dostik, Siganak, Almaty, Kiray and Janibek Hans, Orenbor, Bukhar Rao. The avenue finishes on the crossroad with Gabon Baibatir Avenue. Its length is 9,314 meters. Eternal country is the fundamental idea of the famous Turkic thinker Tanyukuk, who was a counselor to the three of Turkic rulers. He brought up this idea after Elterish Kagan founded the Second Turkic Khaganate 13 centuries ago. Göktürks were the first ones who made the idea of eternal country as the fundamental basis of its geopolitical development. In 2014, first president of Kazakhstan, Nur-Sultan, in his address to the nation, suggested to revive the idea of eternal country, Mangilik, as unifying theme of all Kazakhstanis. Ministry House, Prosecutor's General Office, Triumphal Arch Mangilik, and International Exposition Center Expo 2017 are located alongside the avenue. Triumphal Arch Mangilik is a unique architectural object which was created on the example of other arches located in different cities of the world. Its length is 20 meters. Its official opening ceremony was held by the 20th anniversary of independence of Kazakhstan.